Hey guys, this is Marshall Kirby from Orchard Hill Farm Equipment. Today we're going to be going over this Cam Superline 20-ton tag trailer behind me. We're going to show you some features that are standard in this unit and why this might be a good fit for you guys and your hauling needs. So let's dive in and check it out. So up front, we're going to have a pierced I-beam frame. This customer ordered this unit in Kubota orange, they'll call it. So for you Kubota guys, this is what you're going to be looking like on the standard orange upgrade option. This trailer does come standard with black as the standard paint color, but there are many different paint choices. Cam's paint is a PPG paint, which is a very high quality paint. We find that to be a little bit better than your average powder coating system that a lot of the other manufacturers are using. These are made right here in Pennsylvania, so pretty local to us here in Massachusetts. They're going to have a pintle ring standard on the front, pierced I-beam frame, air brakes standard on the 20-ton. Large drop-in toolbox. This is a very good size, very deep. Got plenty of room to throw your chains and binders in there. Looks like this one even has a registration holder added into it. Dual 50K jacks with a single handle control. You got a side step standard, two actually. So one in the front and one in front of the front axle. You're gonna have D-rings standard on this unit. This customer did outfit with this with a few upgrades, so he did add a couple extra D-rings. You're gonna also have not only D-rings along the side rail here, but you're also gonna have two D-rings on the actual I-beam up front here for tie-down points. So that's great. This customer added midship turn signals right here. So these are midship turn signals, just a cheap little add-on option that this customer wanted to outfit it with. You're gonna have Hutch 9700 suspension here, some of the best in the business. The 20-ton comes standard with two axles with the option to jump up to a larger tonnage. They make a 25 and a 30-ton with a tri-axle setup, and you can get an airlift on that third axle. This customer opted for the 6-foot stand-up ramps. Standard comes with a 5-foot flip down ramp that's going to flip back down on your dovetail. Your dovetail is 5 feet. The total length of this trailer is 27 feet. So we're running roughly a 22 flat and then a 5-foot dove, right? So 27 feet overall. But this customer opted for the 1-foot additional length upgrade on the ramps to give her a nice gradual incline. These are standard non-air ramps, but you can get them air ramp. Each one of these ramps, although they are very large, there are 6 total added helper springs to this ramp, which makes it really easy, smooth up and down. You know, you can definitely manhandle it on a relatively easy basis here without needing the air. But for you guys that do want air ramps, they're going to offer tons of different air ramps. We got paver special air ramps that are bifolds. We have just your standard 5- and 6-foot ramp like this that are airlift. And then we also have a 30x80 ramp and a 40x80 air ramp. All are options on these trailers. This customer did add the locker bars, cheap little upgrade option so he can keep these ramps up in the air. They're out of his way for his hauling needs. So that's a little bit about Cam's 20-ton. You're gonna have oak decking standard. And I think that completes our video for today. We just wanted to give you a quick little overview on what this unit comes with standard. I think these are some of the best 20-ton trailers in the business, a really good price point, made locally here in Pennsylvania. And if you guys want a quote on one, please reach out, 413-253-5456, or visit us on our website, www.orchardhillsales.com.